So we need a conversation for chairlift chat.
What's your day?
About Australia Day.
About whatever you want. It can be anything you want. Just pick a topic.
Okay.
What do you like? What do you do outside of skiing? What's your favourite thing?
Nothing.
Nothing. Oh,
I just
okay,
don't think
cool.
I do much outside of skiing.
Or your favourite TV series?
Oh,
Would
you
you
know what?
rather?
I can snowboard on the road.
You can snowboard on the road?
Yeah.
Wait,
It's
how?
like a skateboard.
And no, it's more like a snowboard but with wheels.
Oh, I've seen those. Yeah, they look cool.
Yeah,
What, like
I can teach
actually-
you how to
It's
do it.
it's like a it's a skateboard, but the
With
2 wheels
6
at the
wheels,
front and the
yeah.
back they spin round.
Yeah.
So it's the same movements as snowboarding.
In the
that's
middle.
sick.
you spin.
Yeah, that looks sick. I'd like to
I
try
can
that.
teach you how.
That would be cool.
Is
I
that
have
in-
one in my room. I can show
Where
you.
we go here though with it?
Sorry?
Where do we do it here?
No,
Where?
not in the winter, but I
Yeah,
had to
in the
bring
summer.
it to do
Okay.
it in Canada.
Okay, yeah, that's cool.
Cool. It's not a, is it a ripstick or like it's like a kind of board, but it.
No, it's really stiff.
What's that called? It's
Oh, I know the
used to
squeegee
ride
board
it as
thing.
a kid,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it was like there's 2 wheels on either side, but it's split in the middle,
Oh yeah,
and you have to like
Pedal it to get it
that,
to
yeah,
go.
like, and it's so hard.
Yeah, I don't know the name of it.
I can't remember what it's called now, but
It's
I
not
used to
that
love that.
hard.
I think
You
it's
do-
hard.
You do this. Oh, yeah, because you know.
yeah,